Jimbo's Garage.
Hey, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to the shop. Hey, I just got a couple of announcements to make. I got a couple of emails from HTP America and they're offering up a couple of deals here. One of them is a trade-in and trade-up package they're offering. If you're a current owner of a ProPulse 200 or a ProPulse 220 MTS, they're offering a trade-in value there to trade up to the ProPulse 300. Depending on the condition of your unit, they'll let you know what the trade-in value is. Trading up to the ProPulse 300 is a pretty good upgrade right there. You have a lot more power, a lot more capability, a lot more features. This is more set for maybe some heavy manufacturing or commercial or industrial type of use there. It operates off of 220 or 240 volt single phase or 200 to 535 volt three phase. That's your power source there. So if you're interested in something like that, you might want to give them a call and find out what your trading value is and see if that might work for you. One of the other packages here, this is the back to school sale. I think this is a really good value right here. And I think this lasted the whole month of August. What they're offering is the ProPulse 220 MTS. Now this is about, I don't know, a little over $500 off suggested retail. What you get with that is a 24 and 26 series MIG gun torch, 24 and 26 series consumable kit for both of those torches. Also a 10-pound spool of 30 thousandths wire, a 10-pound spool of 35 thousandths dual shield flux core, a 10-pound spool of 35 thousandths aluminum wire 4043. The knurled drive rolls for the dual shield flux core and the drive rolls for the aluminum, 15-foot electrode holder, ground clamp and assembly kit for that, as well as 2 pounds of 1/8 inch electrodes. So pretty good value right there. I believe that's coming in right at about $21.95 for all of that. I think that's a good value right there if you get all three processors in one machine. And if you're the first 20 customers to call in and purchase one of these machines, you also get a $200 store credit towards the purchase of some other products. One of them might be a TIG torch for that 220 MTS. That'll make it a complete package. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can give them a call at 1-800-USA-WELD or check out their website at usaweld.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.